Okie dokie, welcome back to my YouTube. So this season I will be going ahead and rating some of my old projects, and this project in particular is VFX. Basically moving a cube around a screen with my hand, seeing what this looks like. Yeah, let's get into this. I'm going to rate this out of 5, see how much I've kind of advanced as well. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so we can see that we pick up the cube. I think I could have definitely used a different program with this. This is in Blender, by the way. This is one of the older versions of Blender. I don't know which one it is. I can't see any identifiable marks, but this is pretty cool. I'd probably give this a 4 out of 5 because I don't think at the time I knew how to match the camera with the way that Blender was. You can see that the difference in the camera and the cube right there. Let me just go ahead and backtrack this. So you can see that this comes up, but there's not really that much motion tracking. I think this was done by hand. Yeah, and if I go like this, you can see the detail on the cube right here, but it doesn't really match the detail on my face. So I think what it is, I haven't amended the settings in the side of Blender to put this to whatever resolution that this camera is compared to the resolution of the cube. So yeah, this is a very interesting piece as well. So we can kind of date this. This was roughly around when one of my favourite movies came out with the Joker. And we can rate this as well. This was the flat from about maybe 3 or 4 years ago. So I don't know. I think this was early HD. I don't know. You know, my brain's saying early HD because of the quality of it, because obviously this is a 4K screen that I'm watching it on, but then again 4K is 4 times HD, so I don't know really what I was using, but you know, you can see from the quality of the cube right there and the quality of the camera, these two don't match. There could have been a little bit of motion blur added to this as well. I think it's good for what it is. But for, you know, for the time, it's definitely some sort of shading going on with that. Yeah, I would probably give this a 4 out of 5, just for work, for sure. Yeah, so you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.